First, go to your Facebook account, click the three dots, and then click View As. Then you will see you have an Add Friend button. Go back again, go to Settings and Privacy, and then Settings, find how people find and connect you, and then change it to Friends of Friends. Then go back, scroll down, Followers and Public Content, and then who can follow you, go to click Public, then go back. Refresh your account, go to your profile again, then click the three dots, click View As again, and you should have the follow button now.